Hi kindergartners, it's Miss Madison, and today we are going to do graphing for our math lesson. So we are going to graph fruits that we love. So the title is Fruits We Love. The first thing I'm going to do is write my name on the top. Okay, then we're going to look at our first fruit on the bottom. What is this first fruit? Good, that's an apple. So we are going to graph the apple. So first we need to count how many apples we see on the side. So let's count the apples, and we're going to use a blue crayon to do that. So I see one here, here, one here, here, and one here. So let's count to see how many. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count again to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to color in 5 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. And what is that next fruit we have? Yeah, that is a pear. So let's count the pears. We're going to use a green crayon to do that. So I see a pear here, here, there. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to color in 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I see the pear is winning so far because there are more pears than apples. So what is our next fruit? Good, those are grapes. So let's circle the grapes. See one here. Great, and let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count them again to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to color in 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. And what is our next fruit? Good, that's a pineapple. So let's count the pineapples, and let's use orange to do that. So we have 1, 2, 4. Okay, let's count those all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to color in 10 squares on our graph. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great, and what is our last fruit to graph? Yeah, that's a watermelon. So we are going to use pink. And what letter does watermelon start with that we learned this week? Good, W. So let's circle those watermelons. Okay, and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to color in 7 squares. We can see that the 7 is here, so I know I need to color to that square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome job. So let's answer some questions about our graph that we created. Okay, so let's put my name up top of this one. Okay, it says answer the questions about the graph. Okay, so we're gonna see. So which fruit has the most? So which fruit over here, which one did we see had the most? Which has the tallest line? Which one? Good, it's the pineapple. Pineapple has 10. They have the most, so let's circle that pineapple. Awesome, so which one of these fruits has the least, the smallest amount? So which bar graph, or which part of the bar graph is the smallest, the least? Good, it's the apple. The apple only has 5, so we're going to circle the apple. The next one says, the watermelon has more than Which one? Watermelon has more than So let's first figure out how many watermelon has. So watermelon has, let's go all the way up, go over, 7. So the watermelon has 7. Let's see how many the grape has. We need to find which one the watermelon has more than. So here's watermelon. And does it have more than the grapes? Well, this is at 7 and this is at 8. Which one's bigger? Yeah, the grape's bigger. We want watermelon to be bigger. So let's see if it's bigger than the pear. So we have the pear at 6, watermelon at 7. Which one's bigger? Yeah, watermelon. So that's the winner. The pear is the one that we want. Watermelon has more than the pear. Good. How many apples do you need to equal the pineapple? So let's look at this. So the pineapple has how many? 10. Pineapple has 10. How many apples do you need to get to the pineapple? So this one has 5. So we have 5. So 10 pineapples and 5 apples. So we need to get this 5 to 10. So 5 plus equals 10. So what goes in this blank? So let's draw a picture to help us out. So we know that we have 10, so we need to get the 10. So let's draw 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need to get there, but we only have 5. So let's circle what we have. We already have 5 apples. How many more do we need? Let's count the ones that we didn't circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need circle number 5. So we need 5 more apples to equal the pineapple. So another way we could have done that also is we could have counted the blank squares. So we know we need to be all the way up to this square to equal the pineapple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know there are 5 white squares, so we need 5 more apples. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so the question says, you have 3 more apples. If you added it to the graph, what is the fruit that has the same amount? So let's add 3 more apples to the graph. So 1, 2, 3. So we need to go across and see, now that the apples have 8, we need to see which other fruit has 8. Do you see which other fruit has 8? Yeah, it's the purple fruit. We go down, the grapes. Both the grapes and the apples now have 8. And there we go. Awesome job graphing today.